Okay, guys. So, greetings to my stakeholders. I'm pleased to demonstrate Linux deployment for the new Independence Data Center. So, this AWS Ubuntu instance will host secure file server infrastructure. So, I am in my EC2 dashboard, and then this is my fresh and new instance I created. The state is currently running, and then instance type is t2.micro. Then here is my status checked 2/2. So I will connect, I'll refresh it to ease the connection, and I'll connect it right now. So here is my public IP address, and I'll do straight up to the connection. I already connected it to my SSH, and then here is my terminal. All right. So first, I would execute my first prompt. So I will say who I am, who am I? I'll run it Ubuntu. Okay. So this has confirmed that I am connected as the Ubuntu server, Ubuntu user with administrative privileges. Right. So first, I'll update our system with the latest security patches, which is the sudo apt update. Right. Okay. So I'm applying all the available security updates and ensure our system is protected against known vulnerabilities. All right. So system has been updated. Okay. So I'm gonna run this by showing our current storage layout. So we have a 30 gig volume that will structure for departmental data segregation. So I'll say lsblk, lsblk, run it. Okay, and I'll also df space hyphen h. All right. So far it has shown our current storage layout. So first thing I would say, as I'll be creating my directory structure. So now, creating an organizational directory structure within the root file system. So I would say, so sudo mkdir and then space -p/data. So I'll write, and I will also proceed to match up the next one, the sudo mkdir space -p backup. So run it. Okay, so this has created separate directories for each department: executive management, call center, operations, IT, and a public shared space. Okay, so here our directory structure is ready. So I'll set up user group matching our organizational chart. So I've run it already. Okay, it is set. Now, our user and group management, I will now create groups that map directly to Promised Land's organizational structure. So I'm going to say sudo group add executive. So the sudo group add executive, the sudo group add managers, sudo group add support staff, and sudo group add call center. Okay, around them. Yeah. So now the four primary groups: the executive for leadership managers and for department head, support staff for IT/HR, and also the call center for operations. So far, I've been able to create a key user account following our naming conventions. So I've run it. So resetting secure initial password. So in production, we would enforce strong password policies. So the Jetens Group Jetens Group Executive, Executive, Jeten Group Executives. Okay, run it. Yeah. So also similarly, the ID space, ID space carry underscore shoemaker, shoemaker. So we run it. Sweet. So now I have verified our setup. So carry shoemaker is properly assigned to the executive. Okay, so now the permission and ownership. So I'm applying group ownership and permission to enforce department-based access control. So I'll run it. Yes. So now we could see this. So far each directory is owned by its respective departments group for access control. So I'll run Dominate. Okay, so setting permissions. 770 for private departmental access and then 775 for call center data with read access for oversight and then 777 for public um, area or the public collaborations. So I would say sudo chmod, sudo chmod and space plus t uh, plus t k s slash data slash public and run it. Okay, so I've added the sticky bits to prevent user from deleting each other's file in the public area. I'll say ls space hyphen ln. Okay, ls space hyphen underscore ls space hyphen ln and space slash forward slash data slash. So I'll run it. Okay, so as we can see now, our permission structure is complete. Each department has secure segregated workspace. So to the next phase, which is the security implementation. So implementing our multi-layer security approach, starting with the firewall. So I would say the sudo ufw, sudo uf space ufw, I'm not mistaken. Okay, so the sudo ufw allow space space ssh. I'll run it. Okay, and I also sudo ufw space allow 139 slash tcp. I'll run it. Okay, updated. So sudo lastly ufw allow 445 slash forward slash TCP. I run it. Okay, so explicitly this has allowed only essential services. So SSH for administration and Samba for file sharing. So now the sudo UFW, I would say sudo UFW space status and verbose, and I'll run it. All right. So now firewall is active and properly configured, so significantly reducing our attack. Okay, so now setting up sudo access controls based on job functions, and the sudo, I would say, run it. Okay, so far executive have full administrative access support. Staff have limited system commands, while managers and call center have no sudo access. Right. So, all right. So now we are creating our security message of the day. So key in this as we run it. Okay. Okay. So far for our message of the day, I have prepared a security banner that will display to all users upon login. So let me deploy it to the system. So I will show the file exists. Okay. So now we can see that from the file saver and advanced controls, the installing and configuring Samba for cross-platform file are being shared. So, and then the Samba provides security files and services accessible from Windows, Macs, and as well Linux clients. Okay, okay. So the Samba service is now active and will start automatically on boot. So, which the system, I will key in cap slash system CTL status SMBD. I'll run it. Okay. So now the file saver is running and ready for the path main file sharing. So now I will implement access control list for the granular permission, specifically for Carry Shoemaker's read-only access requirements. So I would say the sudo apt install space -y space ACL. I'll run it. Okay. So I would also sudo set facle rm set facle rm space r space d space -m. So u colon that's it. So I'll run it. Alright, so these grants carry Shoemaker only access to all data directories without changing the base root permission. So here I'll say get facle space So get Falco space slash forward slash data forward slash executive executive, and I'll run it. Okay. So now you can see the ACL in action. So the carry has read access across all departments while maintaining existing security controls. So at the next level, which is the automated maintenance. Now, I will be setting up automated system maintenance and monitoring. So I would say the sudo apt install, sudo apt install. Okay. So the sudo apt install space -y space -mu run it. All right. So as you can see here now, I'm installing a command line tool to demonstrate our package management capability. So which I would say still loading. It's reading for a longer period of time. Okay. So the which MUTT run it and the MUTT space -v. Okay. So now the package successfully is installed and verified. So now I'll be configuring automated scheduled task for system maintenance. So here is it. So I'll run it. Yes. So as you can see now, it is setting up a cron job that simulates our scheduled reboot policy. So in production, this would run every 2 years. So yes, I would say sudo cron tab space -l. Oh, I. Okay, so I'll run it. Okay, so the cron tab is properly scheduled for automated system maintenance. All right. So last one to verify the verification and testing. So now let's verify our complete implementation to meet all business requirements. Okay. So right now the Kerry Shoemaker can access the executive file as expected. Okay. So we're running it right now. So the call center agent can create files in their department's directory. Yeah, run this. So we can see now that even as it is, they cannot access executive files. So this should fail, demonstrating our security control. So run it. Okay. So now it shows the file was successfully created in the proper department directory. So now the final system status. So EF space -h. I'll run it. Sweet. So now we can see this. So we run it lastly. All right. So all system operational with proper security and services running. So in conclusion, this completes our Linux deployment demonstration, and then we've successfully implemented that's the secure user management with a department-based access control and centralized file sharing with Samba, and also comprehensive security measures including firewalls and ACLs, and then as well the automated maintenance scheduling. So the system is fully operational and then ready to support the Promised Land data center operations with enterprise grade security and then reliability. Thank you so much. My name still remains Innocent Prince Ukando.